Allyacht Spars was a small business which mostly installed yacht masts and rigging, but which also had a sideline supplying flagpoles. They had placed a flagpole in the yard of a martyr prize home, a house which was the prize in a lottery. However, the flag was hanging awkwardly, and they were asked to come and look at it. Nicol considered himself to be a worker for Allyacht Spars, but he was actually also one of the directors. He and another director went to look at the defective flagpole. The night before, the bosses of the enterprise, not including Mr. Nicol, had decided to mount a trestle to enable the flagpole to be inspected. And that's what they did. However, their trestle wasn't high enough, so, bright sparks, they placed the trestle in the tray of their ute. Disaster followed. Mr. Nicol went up the ladder, the trestle slipped in the back of the ute, and he fell. He was seriously injured. Now, the workers' compensation laws at that time said that a worker couldn't be compensated if they were injured due to a method of work that they themselves had chosen. It was clear that the system of work had been devised by Allyacht Spars through its directors, and it was clear that Mr. Nicol was one of those directors. So did it follow that he was injured by a method of work that he himself had chosen? The court said no. Chief Justice Mason, along with Justices Toohey and Gaudron, said that the respondent was under a duty to provide a safe system of work for its employees is not in doubt. The fact that the appellant was, at the time of his accident, a director of the respondent did not affect his status as an employee. This case shows us that a company, a corporation, is a different legal person to its members. So even though Mr. Nicol was a director of Allyacht Spars, the company was a distinct legal entity from him as a person. The company owed him a duty of care. The company developed the method of inspecting the flagpole, and so the company was liable for the injury caused to him while he was carrying out that work. When we are dealing with corporations law, it is crucial to keep in mind that a corporation is a separate legal person, independent of its members.